Hello, and welcome to LawKPI demo. I will walk you through the LawKPI solution, its features, its automation, and we will also talk about some of the key reports that hundreds of our clients are successfully using in order to run their firm as a business. So let's dive in. I'll share my screen and we can log in into LawKPI. So by default, we offer about 30 plus reports out of the box. So, and we have categorized these reports into various different dashboards. So we have Matter Insights dashboard, Bill Insights, Firm Outstanding. If you're using Clio Grow or Lawmatics, we'll enable the Grow Insights dashboard for you. Productivity Insights. So depending on how you run your firm, some reports will be more meaningful than the others. So let's quickly look at the Matters dashboard. This kind of gives you a quick view of open matter, WIP, billed, collection, credits, and accounts, year-over-year billing and collection. This is a very powerful report. And also all our reports, you can toggle between data and chart depending on your preference. So to do any analysis, you can simply open up this report. And once you open up a report, it gives you the ability to slice and dice the data further. For example, you can run this for multiple years if you want to see how the firm has been consistently growing over the last 2 to 3 years. If you have a repeat business from clients, you can run it for specific clients and look at the lifetime value of the client to see how much revenue they are bringing in year over year by month. So it just makes it very powerful for you to understand the lifetime value of a client. You can also use this report to understand how you are performing and growing in a specific practice area year over year. For example, if you want to see how you're growing in a divorce practice area, simply select divorce from the practice area filter and then hit apply. And once you apply, it will refresh the data. And then this kind of shows you how the firm has been growing for the last 2 years by month in the divorce practice area. Now, if you want to narrow it down further, and if you want to see how you were growing as a firm or how a specific attorney has been growing that practice area, you can select the originating attorney, hit apply again. And so now what it is showing you is the data of revenue and collection over the last 2 years for the divorce practice area and for attorney John. So this is how John performed in the last 2 years. So that way you can look at it at each individual practice area, how they're performing. You can compare it with previous years. You can look at for a specific attorney. All our reports can also be exported into any of these different formats. You can email this report directly to yourself, so you don't have to download it and go back to your Outlook client. It will save you that time. Also, you can schedule broadcast. What we mean by broadcast is that there are certain reports that you look at it on a regular basis, like weekly, monthly, quarterly. You can go ahead and schedule a broadcast and pick the date and time that you want. And you can provide like a meaningful subject line, the body, and you can pick the format in which you want. So what we recommend is either a PDF or an Excel format usually works the best. You can then schedule it. If there are certain reports you want to look at it on a weekly basis, you schedule it for weekly. And if the same information you want to look at it on a quarterly basis for the firm management meeting, you create another schedule for quarterly. That way you don't have to remember to run the report. It will automatically run it based on the frequency you picked, and it will email it to you. So that way it just makes it very easy for you to access information. Also, all our reports, we have a reset button. So just in case, if you're not sure the filters that you use, simply hit reset and it takes you back to the default filter that we have set up for you when we configured your system. So that way, there is nothing in our solution that anybody can do to mess up any of the reports. So this is bill and collection by matters. And wherever applicable, you can simply click on it and it will give you the details behind it. Now, if you want to analyze these details, or if you want to export these details, you simply maximize that window and it will open up that report, and it will also give you access to all the filters that we had when we were looking at the data in a chart. And you'll also have access to export it, email it, or broadcast yourself. You can set it as its favorites. So all the features are available for the drill down version as well. So hopefully this presentation helps. Please feel free to reach out to me at lawkpi.com. There's a schedule a button link if you want to discuss in detail about your specific reporting needs. Please schedule a demo with me, and I would love to have a one-on-one discussion and understand your needs and see if LawKPI is a good fit for your firm. Thank you for watching, and hope you have a great day. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, I'm Kimberly with King Law, General Manager. King Law is a proud LawKPI customer. We use the software to streamline our reporting. It's very efficient. It allows us to scale our business and make more efficient decisions when incentivizing employees, determining when we need to offer additional training, and really just gives us an opportunity to look at the business from an overall perspective.
So I've been using LawKPI for like a year. It's been great. The custom reports that we've been able to develop that help us make decisions and financials, and being able to pull information off of Clio to not only help us manage the firm, but also make decisions about the future. And it's filled a very big gap for us on reporting that now allows us to be able to use it to make decisions and to help us grow. So thank you, Sachin, and LawKPI have been very good to us.
LawKPI has really helped us at Brotman Law. It's allowed us so much more visibility into utilization, into our collection rate, into data gathering as a whole. So thank you, LawKPI.